How to change playlist name on Spotify. To get started, first of all, open up the Spotify application on your phone. You'll be taken to the Explore page on Spotify. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Your Library. Scroll down to your favorite playlist and tap on it. Once you're in, you will need to tap on the three dots over here. Then, from the options, you need to select the option Edit right here. In this page, you can edit the playlist details, including the name. Type in the new name that you want for your playlist. If you want, you can also categorize your playlist just like I did as gaming music. Once you're done typing, save the details. So here, you can see we have successfully edited the name of the playlist and also categorized it. So now, you can easily change your playlist name on Spotify without any hassle.